So we need also to consider to download or apache-nifi from internet. To do that, I have prepared here the link where you can search for it on and the website of apache.org nifi downloads. So here is the address where we can download the apache-nifi, and we can search for the latest version, the more stable. And I have already downloaded, so I will look for my files which I have, and let's specify this localhost and also the port where we are going to access to the canvas. Here I'm opening the file or folder bin where we have the nifi.sh file that we are going to start. So this will allow us to start the service of apache-nifi, and let's enter, for instance, to the file nifi.sh. See, let's take a look in the expression in this command that we are going to use. As we saw, the file nifi.sh is in the folder bin, so we enter to the folder bin and we start this file nifi.sh. So let's do an enter, and we see that Java Home is already set, and also the nifi home in my user is also set for this service. Okay, so in the case that we don't have this Java Home environment in our system, we can use, as we talked before, we can again see the Java Home variables. We see that the Java Home environment and also nifi home. Here we see that the status is success, and we are up in our system. So we can look for the local host that for us is 127.0.0.1, and the port is 8444/nifi. So then we can access directly, or once we see the canvas. Before the canvas, we will need to enter with some permissions. So we need to generate our user and a password. Here I have entered with my user, but we need to do it even with a generated standard password, which can be generated as a standard by command. in our terminal, we can generate it with the following expression. So there is a folder which name is logs in our nifi folder, and we can generate automatically we can generate a random username and a random password with this expression, or we can generate a customized credential, user, and password. So if we see, we can do it also with our following command.